Hey guys, Coach here. Wanted to share with you a wonderful, wonderful plant that I, from Northern California, only knew as a house plant. But down here in the deep south, this is a fantastic plant for out on a morning sun, afternoon shade container situation. I have never planted it in the ground, so I'm not going to speak to that, but I'm sure you could. But this is Spathiphyllum. This is the peace lily. And for the most part, I've seen them in bright, bright windows in and inside the house, out on the patios, in the lanais, and that kind of stuff. You can see the beautiful namesake coming up right now, the beautiful white flag, the peace lily. This loves bright, bright rooms. It does well. It blooms more in a bright situation. If you put it in a darker situation, it will tend to not bloom as often or as luxurious as this. It loves food, and the one thing I want to caution you on is spider mite. Make sure that you have lots of humidity, you keep it well fed, and the spider mite will stay at bay. Humidity is a good factor. If you're too dry in the house, you'll start to see a little tip burn and a little bit of yellowing on the leaf, so keep your humidity kind of high. At the very most, put a gravel container underneath the plant and keep the gravel moist at all times, and that'll keep the humidity up locally right around the plant. So, this week's plant that I'm bringing to you, Spathiphyllum, also called the peace lily. Check it out the next time you're at your garden center. And if you got any questions, look it up online, or hey, drop a comment in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. I'm Matt. You can call me Coach. I'll catch you guys next week. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.